Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. Today I'm going to teach you how to create account on Memrise. First of all, open up the app. As your app opens, you'll see two options, Get Started and I have an account. Tap Get Started to create a new account. And here you have to choose the language you want to learn. So here I'm just going to tap French. And here you also have to choose the language you speak. Select the language you speak and press Done. After that, you'll have to choose your level. Now you'll have to either sign up with Google, Facebook or email. So I'm just gonna sign up with Google. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap Continue. Now choose an account that you want to use in order to sign up. After that, you'll have to set up your learning reminders. Choose at what time you want to learn and on which days you want to learn. And tap Continue when you're done. Tap Allow if you'd like Memrise to send you notifications. And now tap on Maybe Later. Tap on Continue again. Now tap on OK, got it. So now here you can see your profile has already been created. This way you can easily create Memrise account. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.